In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Epic Games notifications on your computer, step by step. If you're tired of constant pop-ups, promo alerts, or free game reminders from the Epic Games launcher, this quick tutorial will help you clean that up in just a few moments. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or by searching for Epic Games in your Start menu. Once the launcher opens, look to the top right corner of the window and click on your profile icon. This is where your account and app settings are stored. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for the launcher. Now scroll down until you find the Desktop Notifications section. This is the area where Epic Games lets you control which alerts appear on your screen. You may see options like news and special offers, free games notifications, or other promotional alerts. If you no longer want to receive a specific type of notification, simply uncheck the box next to it. For example, if you want to stop promotional messages, turn off news and special offers. If you don't want reminders about new free games, uncheck free games notifications as well. Once you've disabled the notifications you don't want, you can close the settings page. Your changes should save automatically, and from this point forward, Epic Games will no longer show those notifications. If you ever want them back later, just return to the same settings area and check the boxes again. So that's how to turn off Epic Games notifications quickly and easily. I hope this helped you reduce the clutter and make the launcher a little less distracting. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.